Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start in Chrome because this is the only reliable path for Google Docs voice typing. Open your document, then go to Tools and select Voice Typing, or press Ctrl plus Shift plus S to jump there. When Chrome asks, allow microphone access, otherwise the tool won't capture audio. Also, choose the right microphone from Chrome settings if you have multiple devices. Once those permissions are in place, you're ready to trigger the voice typing control and see the microphone icon appear at the left of your dock. Now that the mic is enabled, click the microphone icon to begin. It should turn red, indicating recording. Make sure you select the correct language from the drop-down because accuracy depends on matching your accent and vocabulary. Speak in natural phrases, enunciate, and say punctuation like comma or period aloud when you need it. If you need numbers or symbols, speak them as digits. Once done, click the mic again to stop. Make sure you pause between commands so Google parses each phrase correctly. To finish, click the microphone to stop recording and make any edits manually with your keyboard. If voice-to-text accuracy seems poor, make sure your mic level is balanced, move closer to the mic, or switch the input device in Chrome settings. If it still fails, clear site permissions for docs. Google, restart Chrome, and try again. This often resolves permission or temporary audio routing issues. Finally, update your audio drivers if needed. Doing that eliminates most hardware-related recognition problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.